In today's video, I'm going to explain what copy link without site tracking does in Mozilla Firefox and why it's such a useful privacy feature when you're sharing links. If you've ever copied a long URL and noticed a bunch of extra tracking text at the end, this feature is designed to help clean that up automatically. It can make your shared links look neater, and it can also reduce the amount of tracking information that gets passed along when someone clicks your link. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and browser guides. It really helps the channel and it means you'll see more videos just like this one. So, what exactly is Firefox doing here? A lot of websites add special tracking parameters to links. These are extra parts of the URL that often start with things like UTM/source, UTM/medium, UTM/campaign, or other similar labels. Marketers and websites use these parameters to figure out where traffic is coming from, what campaign brought a visitor in, and how people are sharing content online. That can be useful for analytics, but if you're just trying to send a clean link to someone, you may not want all of that extra tracking attached. That's where copy link without site tracking comes in. When you right-click on a link in Firefox and choose this option, Firefox checks the URL for known tracking parameters. If it finds them, it removes the ones it recognizes as tracking-only values. Then it copies a cleaner version of the link to your clipboard while still keeping the actual destination the same. So when you paste it into a message, email, document, or social post, you're sharing a simpler link without some of the extra tracking clutter. Now, one important thing to understand is that Firefox is trying to be smart about this. It does not blindly delete every part of the URL. Some parameters are required for the page to load correctly or for a specific feature on that website to work. In those cases, Firefox may leave certain parameters in place if removing them could break the link or change how the page behaves. So the goal is not to damage the link. The goal is to remove known tracking information safely when possible. Here's how you use it in practice. First, find a link on a web page in Firefox. It can be almost any normal hyperlink. Then right-click the link. In the menu, look for Copy Link Without Site Tracking. Click that option and Firefox will place the cleaned up version of the link on your clipboard. After that, you can paste it anywhere you want. If you compare it to the original URL, you'll often notice that the tracking junk at the end is gone. This is especially handy if you share a lot of links with friends, clients, co-workers, or on social media. It saves time because you don't have to manually edit URLs every time. It also gives you a little more privacy, since you're not intentionally forwarding all of those marketing tags to the next person. If you're wondering whether this changes the destination page, the answer is usually no. The main web address stays the same, and the content should open normally. Firefox is just removing extra tracking data that was attached to the link. Of course, if a website depends on a specific parameter for its functionality, that parameter may stay in place to avoid causing any issues. So in simple terms, copy link without site tracking is a privacy-friendly copy option in Firefox that helps strip out common tracking parameters from links before you share them. It's a small feature, but it's really useful if you care about cleaner links and less tracking. If this video helped clear things up, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more browser and software tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to check whether a link has tracking parameters or how to manually clean a URL yourself in Firefox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.